Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Vercellino here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel dedicated to you, the brave men and women who have so honorably defended and continue to defend this great nation. How much does it cost to utilize a VA home loan? You've identified that you want to use your VA home loan. Now you need to determine what are the costs involved with doing so, all right? And that's exactly what we're going to talk about. But before we do, we got some business to take care of, right? Consider showing your love by clicking like on this video if you feel that I've earned it, subscribing to this channel if you want to learn more about education with respect to VA home loan benefits, right? And thirdly, comment down below with your questions and I personally will make sure that we get them answered for you. Good to go? Let's talk a little bit more about the costs associated with a VA loan. It's important to know that the VA loan, well, in reality doesn't really have any costs. I know that kind of blew your mind for a second, right? But let's talk about the one true cost that you could stick to a VA loan. It's called a VA funding fee. The VA funding fee is a cost imposed on the mortgage by the Department of Veterans Affairs to cover the risk associated with the loan. It's a percentage of the loan amount that 9 times out of 10 is typically rolled into the loan. If you want more information on that, you can see my funding fee VA loan video. That's the one true cost associated with utilizing a VA home loan benefit. Now, for my veterans, my active duty service members, here's what you need to know. When you're buying a home or refinancing a mortgage, there are costs associated with the transaction. You with me on that? So there's closing costs, things like the lender's fixed costs that it takes to originate your loan. There's title, there's escrow, there's credit reports, there's prepaid items like prepaid interest, prepaid taxes, and prepaid insurance. And depending upon where you're buying, there may be things like HOA setup and transfer fees and things of that nature. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to share with you a very general rule of thumb. Basically, you can use as an estimate when you're getting ready to go out there and purchase a new home. And that general rule of thumb is the total costs involved with a purchase will average anywhere from 2 to 3% of the total purchase price. Now, it's important that you understand that that is only an estimate and it can vary depending upon where you're purchasing. Could be higher, could be lower, but I think that that's a good general rule of thumb to get started. Remember, that VA funding fee, it's rolled into the loan, so you don't have to pay for that out of pocket, number one. And number two, if you're a service-connected veteran, it's waived. It's waived for life. You'll never have to pay that VA funding fee ever again. Good to go? So that's a little bit about the costs in conjunction with a VA home loan, in particular a purchase in general. For more questions, we have answers. Go ahead and comment with your questions down below and I personally will make sure to get them answered for you. Lastly, feel free to visit my website, VALoans4Vets.com, for more information. Hey, thank you and may God bless you for your service to our great country. Semper Fi.